Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jose Emmanuel Plaza, and I'm representing Lima. And as someone who was born here in the Philippines, but was raised in Australia, I'm advocating for physical health and mental well-being. Now, health has many different factors. There's physique, but there's also mental health. And I believe that young people in Bohol need to improve their mental health, and that the awareness should be raised, because I feel like there isn't enough education about it. And as a young person myself, I'm 18 years old only, I'm a young man. There's a lot of statistics that young males have a very high tendency of taking their own lives from their own mental well-being. And I'm here advocating to prevent that from happening today. Now, there is a solution to this. It is a small step, but I would love to work with the government, to work with education, and to work with my own private sectors to help educate and aware the community and everyone involved with the mental well-being of young people in Bohol. As my late grandfather used to say, one small step can make a big difference. Now we should walk this step, a step that is not too dear in price, but an effort that is dear in impact. Thank you.
Candidate number 8, please stay. Just give the microphone. Candidate number 8, your question is, what inspired you to choose this particular advocacy, and how do you plan to raise awareness about it in your community?
So I chose this advocacy because it really relates to me as a young person myself. Back then, in 2018, 2019, I had just lost an important figure of my family. My schooling life it was kind of on a downhill turn. My grades were doing bad. I lost a lot of friends back then. And my mental health was very rocky, but I'm advocating here today for physical health development, because what got me through it is the physical development that I put myself through. But not the physical development of building my physique, but the mental fortitude that is solidified into my head, into my discipline. And I believe that as young Boholanos, if they instill this discipline, we can have a generation of younger people, young Boholanos that will have free from mental illness, free from mental health problems. And the message to any young Boholano that out here that is listening to me today, standing here, I have a message for you all. You are who you are. Accept it, embrace it, and let that light guide you through the darkness. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 8. The pale powers and the American crown to be presented by the grand winner of the All Filipinas 2024, Mr. Carl Michael Martinez. And it is none other than Mr. Bohol, candidate number 8, Gabriela.
Congratulations!